Hi, today I'll be going through how I approach my solution to the Suez Engineering Product and Service Proposal for ENGG4500 Assignment 3. Before beginning any initial brainstorming for the product or service concept, it was necessary to undertake some preliminary research about Suez company's culture and operations. This process involved listening to the Suez presentation several times and looking over their company website, taking notes on any ideas that seemed to represent the company's core values, such as environmental protection and safety. The next step was to brainstorm product concept ideas. This process involved listing out as many possible engineered product solutions that I thought may have been relevant to Suez operations. After listing out the possible ideas, I returned to the web to undertake initial research on the practicality of the ideas generated. This process basically involved trying to find any possible examples of similar products already existing in other industries, similar products already existing in the waste industry by other companies, and multiple existing products that could be combined to produce the desired product. While not all of these product ideas proved to be possible with existing technology and resources, many of them seemed to be feasible, and I decided to select what seemed to me to be the most valuable to improvement of current Suez operations. The product concepts generated as part of this proposal include a metal recycling/landfill mining conveyor, phyto extraction leachate water recycling concept, and compacted landfill foundation blocks. The first concept involves a large portable landfill conveyor with electromagnets attached to the moving conveyor in an attempt to catch ferrous metal for recycling. The second product concept involves use of contained plant cells for extraction and removal of leachate water contaminants. Finally, the last product concept chosen was based around compacted landfill to be used as low-cost recycled construction materials. In order to generate the service concept ideas, I first used the following approach to determine the common attributes of the Suez Waste Management Service. First, list out the attributes of the Suez locations. Second, list out attributes of Suez products. And third, list out attributes of Suez activities. This information was then used to answer two important questions. First, who else in the community could use the attributes Suez already have? And second, what other attributes could Suez develop to innovate into a new direction? After doing so, it became a lot easier to brainstorm possible service concept ideas. After initial brainstorming, I again undertook research into each suggested idea to see if there was existing information or technology available in use in other industries. After doing so, the service concepts with the greatest amount of available technology were deemed to be the most practical and therefore were selected as the final service concepts. All of the service concepts chosen represent possible future areas of growth for Suez due to the ability to sell the data and technology developed as a result of these service concepts onto other companies through licensing agreements. The service concepts generated from GCE include collaboration with RMS and Google Earth to produce optimized pickup routes, development and testing of construction materials produced from reclaimed landfill matter, and analysis of waste and consumption trends in order to maintain adequate capacity capabilities in landfills. The first service involves analysis of RMS traffic data and Suez pickup route planning to ensure optimal route selection. The idea behind this concept is to avoid as much as possible any lost productivity as a result of traffic congestion impacting pickup routes. The next service concept involves testing and development of the aforementioned product concept based around the use of compacted landfill matter for low-cost construction materials. The service would involve standard civil engineering material testing for compressive and tensile strength, fatigue, bending, and torsion abilities for the developed foundation blocks. The final service concept is similar to the route optimization analysis service, however focuses more so on the physical monitoring of waste volumes within Suez controlled bins using a simulation of data collected from remote bin-based servers. In terms of time management, I found the easiest way to ensure adequate completion of the project was to complete a simplified Gantt chart of required activities. By being realistic in creating this schedule and sticking to it each day, there was no issues with being rushed for time.